Hi, V8 Rumble here. Tim's the name. So, they're going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing next. So just unboxing everything right at the moment. I have this beauty. 92mm throttle body. So I have a bit of a problem. There's no pipe down the bottom here. Because my one, which I will show you next, very shortly, has the radiator hose from the radiator to the bottom of the throttle body. So I don't know if that's connected or not, but I'm sure it is. Maybe for air cooling, I'm not too sure. But anywho, this is a nice billet 92mm throttle body, but has 4 bolt holes. So had to get this plate, adapter plate. So I'm hoping like hell this is gonna fit. Hoping. But I'm just saying that, I'm sure I can make it work. So obviously adapter plate, throttle body, and like that, done, bolt together. And also what came with those parts are these here as well. Another sensor, obviously. Another sensor, plug hole. Comes with O-ring, just like that. Bang, 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 done and dusted. And it also comes with this. Maybe I should have opened the bags before I started this. Or I'll just rip it open, like any man should. Get into the goodies, you know. Brand new one of these, so hopefully, or I can just use the existing ones. Probably better if I use the existing ones, you know. Won't have to piss around with them. And hopefully they're not cheap and nasty ones, which come in the box, but hopefully not. Shouldn't be an issue. And a shite load of Allen key nuts. One comes with an Allen key and some more nuts. Nuts galore! But anyway, that's what I had to tell you. The reason why I'm fitting a new one of these is because the existing one has a hole in there. Usually the hole that's been put in them is for the extra airflow so it idles properly, but mainly with the cammed Ls1s, but mine ain't cammed. Yeah, it runs alright, but I don't like the hole there. And hopefully it runs okay once I fit it. But if not, oh well, shit happens. You can always replace it back, but go from there, eh? So, this is what I'm talking about with the aftermarket throttle body that I've got. It should have fitted straight in, but this is what I'm talking about with the water pipe. If you can see down there, you have a little water pipe just in there, and it comes around straight over to here, which into the radiator. And these are all the other sensors that I've got. They can probably stay there depending on how I'm going to adjust all this other stuff. But yes, this is a 3-bolt. One there, and either side at the bottom, which you can't see because I haven't got the bloody air filter off. And yes, the car is dirty. Filth. And I surely need to clean that bloody thing out. It's well overdue. So, yeah, that's where we're at now. But I ain't doing that tonight. You just have to wait until next time. Because next time, it's game's on. Hands into the bloody motor. Get that shit sorted. Right. Just remember, this is V8 life. Oh, this is my new shed. Still packed full of stuff because I've just moved. Just remember, V8 life is a V8 rumble and a V8 rumble is V8 life. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button. Get into it, mate. Have a good one, YouTubers. Be safe. Drive safe. Love you all.